Hello, welcome back to our channel, where natural health is always our main focus. Do you dream of having long, strong, healthy hair, but feel that hair loss is preventing you from achieving this goal? What if I told you that the key to stopping hair loss and stimulating extreme growth could be in your kitchen right now? Today, I'm going to share 5 simple and practical tips about a natural secret that, according to recent research, is transforming the hair health of thousands of people. We know that dealing with hair loss and slow growth can be frustrating, right? You try everything. Expensive shampoos, chemical treatments, but nothing seems to really work. Maybe you felt discouraged when you see so many strands in the drain or on your pillow. I understand, and that's why today we're going to get straight to the point, exploring a natural and affordable solution. Today, we're going to explore 5 simple and powerful facts about onion juice for extreme hair growth, from the science behind its power, through preparation and application, to how to integrate it into your routine and what to really expect from the results. Get ready to breathe new life into your hair. Now that you know why hair loss is a common challenge, let's uncover the secret behind the power of onions for your hair. Did you know that they are a real powerhouse? The main active component is sulfur, a mineral crucial for the production of keratin, the essential protein that makes up our hair. Think of sulfur as a building block that strengthens the structure of your hair, making it more resistant to breakage. In addition, onions are full of antioxidants, such as flavonoids, which protect your hair follicles from free radical damage. When sulfur and these antioxidants work together, they work wonders. They improve blood circulation in the scalp, which nourishes the follicles at a deeper level and, consequently, stimulates more vigorous and healthy hair growth. Now that you know why onions are so good for your hair, it is time to get your hands dirty and prepare your own juice in a simple and effective way. It's super easy. First, choose an onion. Any type will do, but red onions may offer an extra benefit because they have slightly more antioxidants. Peel it and chop it into smaller pieces. Then, place it in a blender or food processor with a little water, just enough to help blend until you get a smooth paste. Then, to extract the pure juice, strain the paste using a fine cloth or sieve. And here's a golden tip: to soften the characteristic smell of onions and add therapeutic benefits, you can add a few drops of lavender or rosemary essential oil to the juice. Remember, it is essential to use fresh juice to ensure maximum nutrient potency. With your powerful onion juice ready, it is essential to know how to apply it correctly to maximize its benefits. The ideal frequency is 2 to 3 times a week. The main focus should be the scalp. Apply the juice directly to the root, concentrating on the areas where you want more growth or where you notice the most hair loss. After application, gently massage the scalp for a few minutes. This not only helps the juice penetrate better, but also stimulates blood circulation, which is crucial for nourishing the follicles. Leave the juice on for 30 minutes to 1 hour. A crucial step before the first application is to do an allergy test. Apply a small amount of the juice to a discrete area of skin, such as behind the ear or on the forearm, and wait 24 hours to check for any reaction. By following this technique, you will be ensuring maximum absorption of nutrients and activating the growth potential of your hair. For onion juice to deliver all the results you are looking for, it is crucial to incorporate it into a more comprehensive care routine. After the juice has had time to work, the next step is to wash it out. Use a mild shampoo to completely remove the juice and, above all, to eliminate any trace of the characteristic smell. Then apply your conditioner as usual. If the onion smell still lingers a little, an excellent tip is to do a final wash with apple cider vinegar diluted in water. 1 part vinegar to 3 parts water. But remember, onion juice is a booster, not a standalone solution. To further enhance the results and ensure the overall health of your hair, combine it with healthy habits. This includes a balanced diet rich in vitamins and minerals essential for hair, such as biotin, iron, and zinc. Always stay well hydrated by drinking plenty of water throughout the day. And one very important point: avoid excessive use of heat from hair dryers, flat irons, and curling irons, as they can damage your hair and negate some of the benefits you are achieving. By creating this synergy, you will be nourishing your hair from the inside out and from the outside in, ensuring lasting hair health. Now that you have learned how to integrate onion juice into your routine, it is crucial to align your expectations. Hair growth is a natural and gradual process, and results may vary from person to person. Do not expect lush hair overnight. The real key to seeing the benefits is consistency in application. It is regular dedication, week after week, that will make the difference. With continued and correct use of onion juice, what you can realistically expect is a noticeable reduction in hair. Lost strands that become visibly stronger and more resistant to breakage, and over time, faster hair growth than your normal pattern. To help you track your progress and keep your motivation high, a golden tip is to take before and after photos. Record the condition of your hair before you start, and then every few weeks. This way, you can visualize the transformation happening and celebrate every inch of growth and every stronger strand. Remember, patience and persistence are your best friends on this journey. You have just learned about the transformative power of onion juice for your hair, from the science behind it to its application and the results you can expect. Every time you apply onion juice and commit to this care routine, you are making a direct investment in your self-esteem and the health of your hair. Every day you commit to this natural routine is a day when your investments in hair health are growing. Remember, your health is your greatest asset, and onion juice is a powerful ally in this journey. If these tips were useful and inspired you to start your journey of extreme hair growth, please like this video. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any valuable content on natural health. And comment below which habit or tip you will adopt first. I love to know how I can help you. The journey to strong, long hair and natural health begins with a first step. And today, you already know how to get started with the incredible power of onions. Stay strong and reap the rewards of your dedication. Remember to always consult a doctor and make informed choices to protect your health. Want to continue learning about health? Watch these videos too. Your liver is dying. 13 strange signs of liver damage you need to know. And my video on what your doctor will tell you about drinking water on an empty stomach. Thank you for staying with me until the end of this video. May God bless us with health and life. Let's work together to promote everyone's well-being. Subscribe for more videos on health.